Imagine having an AI assistant trained specifically for your business, one that understands your services, your audience, and your workflow. In this video, you'll learn how to build a custom ChatGPT assistant for your business in 3 simple steps. This can help you automate support, generate content, answer customer questions, and improve productivity. Let's get started. Step 1. Define the role of your assistant. The first step is to clearly define what your assistant should do. Your AI should have a specific responsibility inside your business. For example, customer support assistant, or a content writing assistant, marketing strategist, or a technical support helper. Instead of a general chatbot, you want a specialized assistant focused on a clear task. Example instruction. You are a customer support assistant for an online tech education platform. Your job is to answer questions about courses, pricing, and learning paths. Clear roles produce more relevant responses. Step 2. Add business context. Next, provide the AI with important information about your business. This helps the assistant give answers that match your brand and operations. Include details such as your products or services, target audience, and brand tone and style, common customer questions, or key policies and guidelines. Example: our business teaches digital and technical skills to beginners. The audience includes students, career switchers, and aspiring developers. The more context you provide, the smarter and more aligned the assistant becomes. Step 3. Define output instructions. Finally, control how the assistant delivers responses. You can specify formatting, tone, and structure. For example, provide clear step-by-step answers or use simple language for beginners. Include practical examples and keep responses concise and helpful. Example instruction. Respond in clear bullet points and provide actionable advice whenever possible. This ensures every response stays consistent with your business communication style. Final tip. A powerful custom assistant usually combines 3 elements: role, business context, and output instructions. When you structure prompts this way, ChatGPT becomes a dedicated AI assistant built specifically for your business needs. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos on AI tools, ChatGPT strategies, and high-leverage tech skills. I am Lawrence. Visit skilldential.com to decode high-level career skills through urban systems logic. I'll see you in the next video.